Hey YouTube, it's your girl Green. Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so today we're gonna be making this storm wig into a red wig because I'm sick and tired of seeing this stupid blonde wig, and I'm not doing any more storms until whenever. But I need a red wig, so we're gonna be dyeing this wig red. I'm gonna be using Arctic Fox dye and Wrath and Ritual because I'm looking for like a cherry coke kind of color. So let's get into it. First things first, I've already sectioned off the hair, and then I wrapped my wig head in a Target bag because I need to protect the head because I don't want it to get all gross and stuck of dye and then have to wash that because I've done that before in the past. Beginner's mistake. Wrap your wig head before you decide to dye your wig. Section off the hair. I'm gonna be doing the front part where the lace is first, only because sometimes I run out of dye and I want to make sure the front looks good because the back is none of my business. So let's get into it. Okay, so she's been dyed. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this is the perfect color. This is the color I was looking for. I was very scared dyeing this wig because when I was dyeing it, I'm not gonna lie to you, it looked purple. And then when I was washing it still looked purple. And then when I was drying it still looked purple. But then when it like fully dried, it still kind of looks like a darker shade. But this is like, honey, this is gorgeous. But I'm about to take the hot comb and go down a little bit right here, put some foundation in this lace, and probably press it out a little bit more, and then I'm gonna show you the final look. But yeah, this color combo eats down. This is the perfect red for me. But let me show you the final look. Okay, this is the final look. I mean, the final look of the night because this is my second cosplay tonight with this freaking wig. But I'll put some photos up, see how it looks. The color, I'm telling you guys, I'm so happy with this color because I was freaking out earlier that it was not gonna look right, but it looked good for both of the cosplays, and it's gonna look for some other cosplays that I have planned for this wig. So I'm happy. But yeah, guys, I need Arctic Fox to sponsor me at this point. This is like my 4th wig using Arctic Fox, and I'm hoping to make some more wig videos because I have another wig video I'm hoping to make in the next couple of weeks for my Nubia cosplay, because I'm really starting to get that cosplay crunch on for LA Comic Con. Bought my ticket finally, so yeah, the time is ticking down to the day. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on my cosplay Instagram so you guys can see this and other cosplays, and then my upcoming cosplays and other stuff like that. But other than that, I'll see you guys later. Bye!